Stay focused on the action with GoPro's fast and smart charging accessories. For epic days that won't quit, these 3 accessories let you capture more action with less charging time. Next time you go on a longer adventure, bring along the supercharger, dual battery charger, or portable power pack. The first accessory we'll look at is the new GoPro Supercharger. Supercharger fast charges your GoPro Hero 5 Black and Hero 5 Session and other GoPro fast charge compatible devices 20% to 70% faster. It also charges all your other USB compatible devices, including your smartphone. Supercharger has 2 USB ports to charge multiple devices at the same time. The first is a USB-C port. This one charges fast charge compatible GoPro devices up to 3 times faster than normal chargers. So you can recharge a Hero 5 Black in less than 2 hours, or a Karma Grip in just 2 hours instead of 6 hours with normal chargers. The other port is a standard USB-A port. It will charge almost any device at normal charging speed. You can use both ports simultaneously to charge multiple devices, but only the USB-C fast charges. You can also use Supercharger to continuously power your GoPro when you're doing longer captures like time-lapse photography. Supercharger is light and packable, and it comes with adapters for most countries' AC outlets, so you can bring it on every adventure around the globe. The next essential charging accessory is the dual battery charger. This device charges 2 Hero 5 Black batteries simultaneously and charges both batteries much faster when used with Supercharger. Since it comes with an extra battery for Hero 5 Black, use dual battery charger to carry extra batteries when you're out in the field or for longer captures. And for times when you have no access to an AC outlet, we always recommend using the portable power pack. This lightweight, packable design fits in your pocket so you can bring it anywhere. And you can charge your Hero 5 Black up to 4 times on a single charge. It has dual USB ports to charge 2 devices at once, so you can charge 2 Hero 5 cameras, or a camera and another accessory like the dual battery charger or the Karma Grip. Portable power pack is also a great source of power to recharge your smartphone when you need it. Tether portable power pack to your camera for endurance power when you want to shoot time-lapse or night-lapse or extended video. For travel, extended shoots, or anytime you're away from a power source, GoPro has you covered with fast charging and smart charging solutions. Spend more time capturing the awesome with GoPro's charging solutions.
Attach your GoPro camera with this industrial-strength suction cup to the body panels and windshields of cars, the inside of boats, and more. This product includes 1 suction cup mount and 1 rotational joiner arm. To allow proper suction, attach to a rigid, clean, dry, and smooth, non-textured surface. This mount is not recommended for surfboards, snowboards, or other high-impact sports, but rather intended for non-impact activities. Once you've selected an appropriate mounting location, place the suction cup down on the surface, depress the black button, and pull back the lever to lock the suction in place. Attach the camera and housing to the top of the suction cup mount by using its associated long thumb screw and acorn nut. Loosen the large thumb nuts to adjust the joiner arm to a desired angle. You can further position the camera angle by utilizing the long extension arm or rotating the entire mount. Make sure to tighten down all mounting hardware for a secure and stable shot. To remove, unlock the lever and pull up on the clear tab of the suction cup.
your best days are spent out there and on the move, look no further. This compact aluminum mount is designed for you. Our Pro Handlebar seat post pole mount fits standard handlebars or seat posts and is designed to be durable and lightweight, following you through the toughest conditions. Mount it on your handlebar and lock it down with the included hex key. Then use the new rotating mount design to get the shot you want. Want a sleek, over-the-tire, rear-facing shot to catch the action? Mount it on your seat post, then lead the way for your Peloton. Aim the camera to the side and lock it in for a great side-facing follow cam shot too. Aluminum and steel construction make this a rugged mount, so when you're in the middle of capturing the action, you know your camera is secure. The Pro Handlebar seat post pole mount comes with 5 rubber inserts to fit tube diameters from 22 to 35 millimeters. The rings also reduce vibration, giving you smoother video with fewer jiggles. Compatible with all GoPro cameras, the Pro Handlebar seat post pole mount is a durable, lightweight mount that's great for capturing hands-free road and trail action, selfies, and even a wider range of cool GoPro perspectives.
Meet 3-Way, the most versatile GoPro mount yet. 3-Way can be used in 3 main ways: as an extension arm, camera grip, or tripod. To capture everything from POV and selfies to static tripod shots, follow cam, and more. 3-Way's folding extension arm is incredibly unique, allowing you to self-document your passions without the mount appearing in the shot. This one feature makes it the ultimate mount for selfies. Want to get closer? Detach the handle from the arm and it doubles as a camera grip, perfect for POV angles and follow cam. The grip makes it easy to aim your camera and frame your shots with confidence. Conveniently stored inside the handle is a lightweight mini tripod that can be removed and used on its own or combined with the handle. It's ideal for time-lapse photography and other static tripod shots. 3-Way can be used in and out of the water. It's completely modular, so you can configure it for a wide variety of uses and adjust it for nearly infinite angles. 3-Way measures 20 inches at full extension and a low-profile 7.5 inches when collapsed. If you only bring one mount with you, 3-Way may be your new best friend. Throw it in your pack on surf trips, mountain adventures, urban vacations, and more. Compatible with all GoPro cameras and perfect for a wide range of sports and activities, 3-Way helps make the world's most versatile camera exactly that.